So my role is overseeing everything as the founding head. As you know, many drugs come from natural sources. So the research into this area is continuing. So when I took over as the director of school, we tried to put together a group of people who have shared interest in medicinal plant research. When we started, this lab was more or less empty. So we started populating things with instruments that are needed to carry out high-quality natural product research. The idea was to facilitate high-quality natural product research in the UK and also with a global reach. So we have partners and collaborators all over the world, in Africa, in Southeast Asia, Europe, in many countries, even in South America. The Center for Natural Product Discovery, as the name implies, does research in all areas of natural products. For example, we have a section which is known as phytotherapy and phytochemistry, who looks into the chemistry of plants and their applications as medicine. We have a section dedicated to microbial natural products. We have a section looks after the analysis of natural products. We try to cover almost all areas of research in natural products. And it's not only just doing for the sake of doing, we try to maintain the quality at the highest point. And fortunately, we have built a very good infrastructure and also the state-of-the-art instrument that you need to carry out high-performance natural product research.
So there are two deputy heads, I am one of them, and my role on a day-to-day basis to make sure the centre runs smoothly and efficiently, to make sure that students have got all the supplies and equipment they need, and also deal with any problems they've got. So the Centre for Natural Products Discovery, what we are a collection of scientists who are interested in natural products, so interested in the identification of natural products, and then also interested in what these natural products can do. For example, they might kill bacteria, they might prevent cancer, they might be involved in nutrition. So lots of different scientists looking at various aspects of natural products and what they can do. My research is involved in looking at whether natural products which are found in plants or fruits or vegetables, whether they can switch on a specific set of genes which will produce proteins, and these proteins will potentially prevent cancer from happening.
So I am one of the two deputy heads within the center, and my role is about communications and formal reporting. So in that role, I coordinate communications within the entire membership of the center, as well as communications with the wider university. So the Center for Natural Products Discovery started in 2019. It is an attempt to develop an opportunity to be able to investigate different aspects of natural product research, and we've got partnerships from different parts of the world. The center actually focuses on several different areas of natural products. We can do almost any forms of natural product research that anybody wants to undertake. Whether you're thinking of pharmacology, or you're thinking of phytochemistry, or you're thinking of formulations of natural products, or looking at the toxicological profiles of natural products, or whether you're even thinking of aspects of biodiversity and sustainability. So several different aspects of that we can do here. My research is into pharmacology and neuroscience. We are seeking to establish the appropriate scientific evidence base for the ethnopharmacological uses of several different natural products. We think that in the process of doing that, we might identify novel biological activities for those natural products. It's important to understand the mechanisms by which those effects are elicited. So we investigate cellular and molecular mechanisms. So we want to understand the toxicological profiles of these natural products to be able to determine whether they will be safe for consumption or for further development into medicines. If we are not the best, we are one of the best centers for academic research in almost all the different aspects of natural products.
The centre does a variety of research, in fact all aspects of pharmacologically active compounds, all the way from anti-cancer agents to anti-malarials. What we do is we use things like quinine as an inspiration for making compounds that can be synthesized, less than 10 pence per person per per dose, which makes them affordable for the developing world. Whatever that people use in the everyday world, we have people who look at these. What we do is we work on ethnomedicine. So if we, for example, have a traditional healer and they're aware of a particular treatment, we get students coming, especially from the developing world, to see what the scientific basis for it is. So for example, it may be a plant. They would extract the plant. We would then do a bioassay guided fractionation to see where the activity lies. We would isolate the compound and we would determine its structure. My specialism is in antimalarials, and my job is to see if it is possible to synthesize such compounds, because you can never grow enough plants to meet world supply and demand.
I lead the formulation section, so if there are issues about how to formulate the natural products in terms of tablets, I investigate. It's a variety of research. It starts from picking plants and then identifying what's in them. So they are discovering new compounds, their biological activities. Most of them, they are in the field of cancer treatment and neurological activities. And also in terms of a formulation of new products containing natural ingredients. And that goes to most in my field for making new medicines, either for adults or even for children. I think this is a very innovative center, and it's growing exponentially, which helps improving research in other disciplines and subjects as well.
The Centre for Natural Products Discovery at Liverpool John Moores is unique in Europe and unique obviously in this country. It's the only one which is dedicated completely to product discovery from natural sources. And we hold expertise into sourcing raw materials from all over the world and how to process it, to extract them, to isolate compounds from them and test them for pharmacology and toxicology. We try to understand the complex chemistry of plants, fungi, algae, you name it, and then we understand how every component are contributing to their effect, to the positive and also sometimes negative effects in case of toxicology to humans. We are very holistic about what we want to know about natural products, which is everything. From their chemistry to their ultimate applications to human health and wellness. We cover all the steps in between. Composition, their analysis, developing new ways to extract rare compounds from those sources. This research is done in a very cooperative way by people who's focused and passionate about this field only.